Howdy. Today I will be showing you all how to remove the power supply from this Elite 800 G2 SFF computer. This is the unit to change the power supply on this unit. The cover doesn't have any screws. You pull the latch and you lift gently and you pull. Now, before you do all that, since this was given to me to check up on, I didn't go through the basics. If your power supply on your unit isn't working, the first thing you have to do is unplug it from the back, which is the power. You remove the power from it, then you take out the cover. To get to the cables, you simply put your hand underneath this and pull it up. Now, with the cables, all of them are marked where they're supposed to go. So you remove your cables, you unplug it. If you are uncomfortable, you take a photo of what you'll be doing. The cables have that tab, and on the board, they're the same tabs. If you notice the tab, this one has a slot. So you just have to guide it and put it in. Once that's the cables for the hard drive and thing, which it doesn't have. Once these are out, you take it out from this secure. It has 3 screws at the back, which you could use a flat end. You take out your 3 screws. That's one. That's 2. That's 3. Once you remove the 3 screws, it has a tab. Right here, you have to press down and you push slightly and you lift out. And you lift out. It's as easy as that. To put it back, that's the tab you have to press to get the power supply out. To put it back, you simply put it down and you push. You'd hear a little click. Once you hear that click, you would put your screws back. Once your screws are in, you put the lead back underneath this. This is the lead for the CPU. Make sure that tab is the right place. It won't go in no other way because if you notice that here is beveled, these are square, these three are square, and this one is beveled. So if you're trying to put it round and it's not going in, just twist it so you'll be able to put it in. You would hear the click. You put it in this. This is for the board. You notice it's white here. This is white. You push it in. You hear the click. This is for the lights, the switch, and so forth. It has two lips there, which would fit perfectly on this, and you push it in. This is all there is to removing or changing your power supply. Then you push this down and you put the cover on. I will, in the next video on this, I will show you all how to test the power supply, how to test, I'll make another video how to test the switch, and so forth. Just make sure to be safe, unplug the power supply from the main. This is the connector. Yours might be different. Just make sure you take that out from the main before you go into the unit. This is it for this video. If you find it was informative and educational, please like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of further videos. Thank you and goodbye.